Do you know the benefits and how to perform Salatul Janazah? If you're not familiar, this video is for you. Please kindly share, like, and follow. If you do that, Allah will reward you. Benefits. Narrated Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu, that Allah's Messenger said, "Whoever attends the funeral procession till he offers the funeral prayer for it will get a reward equal to 1 Qirat, and whoever accompanies it till burial will get a reward equal to 2 Qirats." It was asked, "What are 2 Qirats?" He replied, "Like 2 huge mountains." Sahih al-Bukhari 1325. First takbir, say Allahu Akbar, then recite Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika, wa tabaraka asmuka, wa ta'ala jadduka, wa jalla thana'uka, wa la ilaha ghayruk. Glory be to you, O Allah, and praise be to you, and blessed is your name, and exalted is your majesty, and there is none to be served besides you. Followed by Fatiha. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, Ar-Rahmanir Rahim, Maliki Yawmiddin, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in, Ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqim, sirata alladhina an'amta alayhim ghayril maghdubi, alayhim waladdallin. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. All praise is due to Allah, Lord of the worlds, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful, sovereign of the day of recompense. It is you we worship, and you we ask for help. Guide us to the straight path, the path of those upon whom you have bestowed favor, not of those who have evoked your anger or of those who are astray. After second takbir number 2, recite, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad, kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim, innaka Hamidun Majid. O Allah, let your blessings come upon Muhammad and the family of Muhammad, as you have blessed Ibrahim and his family. Truly, you are praiseworthy and glorious. O Allah, bless Muhammad and the family of Muhammad, as you have blessed Ibrahim and his family. Truly, you are praiseworthy and glorious. After third takbir number 3, recite, Allahumma ghfir li hayyina, wa mayyitina, wa shahidina, wa ghaibina, wa saghirina, wa kabirina, wa dhakarina, wa unthana. Allahumma man ahyaytahu minna fa ahyihi ala al-Islam, وفيته منا فتوفه على الإيمان. اللهم لا تحرمنا أجره ولا تدلنا بعده. O Allah, forgive our living and our dead, those present and those absent, our young and our old, our males and our females. O Allah, whom amongst us you keep alive, then let such a life be upon Islam, and whom amongst us you take unto yourself, then let such a death be upon faith. O Allah, do not deprive us of his reward, and do not let us stray after him. After the fourth number 4 takbir, only the right Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This sunnah is essential for every Muslim to learn how to perform it. Thank you for watching and sharing.